Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath Samflex YouTube channel, and in this video, I'm going to unbox this latest iPhone 15 Pro Max. Oh, what's missing in this? Charger. Yes, of course, you need to get this 20-watt USB Type-C adapter. We're not going to get in the box what we get in the box and what we should buy. Let's see in this video. And if you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button down below, guys, and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And let's begin this video. Let's unbox the smartphone first, then followed by the adapter. You guys already seen this. As you can see, this is a US variant, guys. I bought it from US thanks to Rajat Desai and Pranav CM, who made me to get this hands on here and to use it as a dilator. As you can see, this is a natural titanium color. These are the new 3 camera setups. One is the 5x zoom, other one is the ultra wide and normal 48 megapixel lens. Now you can shoot in full-fledged 48 megapixel, I mean 24 megapixel images. As you can see, Apple logo. It will get turned on. I already used this, just want to make it unbox video. Already set up the eSIM. It took only 2 hours to set up the eSIM and activate it. Hardly 2 to 3 hours. You get this Type-C to Type-C braided cable. I really like this cable. It is so thin. I thought it will be bigger one. Anyhow, it's only support 20-watt charger only, guys. And these are some paperworks designed by Apple in California. You guys can see here, you no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during iPhone setup. That's how it is. You get this cable and one sticker. I really like this color. There are some other colors like black, blue and also white one, but I opted this natural titanium. Just physical overview, just nothing here. This is the power button and these are the sensors and these are antenna lines you guys can see on the screen here, and these are the speaker grill, and this one is Type-C. This is a new thing in iPhone 15 series, and in the 15 Pro Max you also get the higher transfer speeds up to USB 3.2, and here you get a dedicated button to it's like a button you can opt for example, you can take a screenshot or something like that. You can opt it out. This button is newer one now, and volume up and down button is also given here, and some of the antenna lines you guys can see. All the 4 sides you get antenna lines. As you can see, guys, I already set up this device. The eSIM is also activated here. It's quite good here as of now. As you can see, let me unlock it. Yeah, that's how it looks, typical home screen. And this the if you press and hold here, you also get this true tone. If you want, you can disable and dark mode on I'm currently using a scheduled method. Based on the timing, it will be given here. Yeah, we'll come back again. Yeah, that's how typical quick settings panel, whatever it is. Let me turn the mobile internet. As you can see, and settings you guys can see here. Also got some update. If I go into the gallery, I also show that whenever I booted the device, I got this update. Even before setuping the eSIM, I got this. As you can see, there is no SIM in the screenshot. I just updated this one. Now currently it is a little bit cooler while charging. That I noticed very soon after charging the device. And this is the physical overview and unboxing, guys. As you can see, I really like this color. Let me know in the comment section if you have a chance to get an iPhone 15 Pro Max, what color will you choose. I'll be giving in the description all the 4 colors link. You can check out there. Let me know in the comment section which color you like it. If press and hold here, flashlight, yeah, it is working. Yeah, let me keep these things aside. Yeah, this is USB 20-watt adapter. Definitely we don't get this into the box. I just bought it from Geo store. Actually, I opted like pick up from store. This is the 20-watt charger. As you can see, guys, I even charged this using this. It took me around 2 hours roughly, from 15% to 100%. which is not fast enough, but definitely you should need this because we don't get into the box of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And also this case I brought it from offline. I also uh, applied a tempered glass. If you can see guys, it was a little bit costlier than a regular one. You can see 5G. Let me test some speeds. Actually I was not getting that speed. Let's see now. Yeah, currently I'm getting I'm here like in Ballari city, might get around 600 Mbps at least in Android. Yeah, it's similar to that, but when I use further I'll come to know better. And this is the camera what I'm speaking. You get 0.5x 1x with 24 mm. You can also touch the same. You can see 28 mm and 35 mm. You can actually adjust the aperture and utilize that variable aperture. And this is the 2x and this is 5x. If I can even zoom it out, yeah, up to 25x it's there, from 0.5x to 25. How speed the interface you can see in the camera. That powerful chipset we have here is Apple Bionic A17 Pro. This is the highest possible chipset available right now in any smartphone, and this is a 3 nm build chipset guys we are having in this particular smartphone. Camera is going to be highlight of this particular model 15 Pro Max. As you can see, you can shoot 4K 60 fps. Not only that, you get plenty of options. I'll going to tell those things in upcoming days. Subscribe to my channel regarding that. What I really like this smartphone is definitely the weight balance. Compared to 14 Pro Max, it's 20 grams lighter. I definitely notice it. Even if I apply this case, let's see how much it takes the weight. Yeah, still it's a little bit lighter only. This case I got it from offline. If I can find similar item in online, will be giving those links too. That's it guys, nothing more here to explain because already many of them have seen that. Just brought it from USA again, thanks to Rajat Desai and Pranav C. The main purpose of getting this iPhone 15 Pro Max is to improve the video quality in my channel, particularly the Sampath SamFX channel. I also have other channel, OG Sampath. That link will be given in the description. Even in channel about section you'll get that the other channel link. Try it out. But if you're looking into tech related videos, subscribe here. If you're still new to this channel, subscribe guys. And I'm getting 30 years old this February 2024. I'm asking you guys to make 10,000 subscribers. If not that, at least 8 or 7,000. 7 is my lucky number. If you can make all 7 also, it's fine. Or 10,000 subscribers, I'm very much happy. Asking you guys, I think you guys can make this out for me. There are some hardcore people of this channel, also newbies also. I really welcome you guys to this Sampath SamFX YouTube channel. You will be getting a lot more videos also. That's my real thing, to get this 15 Pro Max, to update new contents. I'm going to get those things. You will be looking I will be looking forward for that definitely. Yes, you guys can make my wish complete during my 30th birthday. That's it guys, we'll meet you with another interesting video. I hope you like this video. If you can like the video, I'll be even happier guys, and we'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.